In this video, I'm going to show you to clear app data on your iPhone, hopefully freeing up some space. I've heard of some of you guys in the comments freeing up to 10 gigabytes of space by clearing the app cache for the Safari app, which is the web browser. That's the icon right there. That's a crazy amount of space just by doing these simple steps in this video. If you end up getting value from this video, I'd really appreciate it if you like and subscribe because it really helps the channel. Thanks a lot. So pop into the settings to get started and scroll back out of here. Go back to the main settings page and scroll down to General. Tap on that and then tap on iPhone storage. And here you'll see all the reasons you need more storage every time you upgrade a new iPhone, because who isn't at almost max storage all the time? Up at the very top here, iPhone gives you all the reasons you need to upgrade to a bigger phone with more storage next time you buy an iPhone and spend way more money, because whoever has enough storage on their phone? I never do. Up here are some warnings for what we can do to save space. 27 gigabytes in photos and videos. 1.8 gigabytes in attachments. That's a lot. We'll save that for a different video. So down here are all the different apps that are on your phone and how much space they're taking up. If you see apps in here that you don't use anymore, just delete them. This one right here, my kids downloaded it. I think they may have played it once. I've never played it. I can just go delete app and delete again. And that's going to give me back 1.25 gigabytes. That's pretty substantial. Some games are quite large, but that's off topic. We're talking about app cache. So to delete app cache, I'm going to give Safari as the example here, but this works for all the apps. To delete the app cache of any app, you tap into it and you tap on Offload and then Offload app. And we see here documents and data are 9.2 megabytes. That's what we could potentially be reducing. Not every app is going to have data that you're going to lose, or they're not going to lose it. They're not all going to have data that you're going to delete to get more space, but some of them will. Then we can reinstall the app right here, and I think we saved 0.1 megabytes, or maybe nothing at all. Not much on this one. So not every app is going to give you results. But keep in mind, you can also offload an app. It'll save the settings that you have set up, and you can put it back on your phone sometime in the future. So if you're not going to use this app on a regular basis, why not offload it and just download it when you need it? So you have to go through all the apps, especially the ones that have bigger file sizes or ones that you suspect might be caching data, and then offload them and then reinstall them. Safari, this is the example I gave where someone in the comments saved 10 gigabytes. They're talking about their website data. So this app is different because we can't just offload it. I think Safari needs to be installed all the time for some reason. But the website data is where all the website data is stored. For websites that you've been using or have used in the recent past, I currently have 145 megabytes of website data, and you might have a lot more because I cleared this recently. All these addresses are really just for videos I made in the past few days. It adds up quick because internet browsers store text, images, videos, all kinds of stuff to make loading websites faster. You can tap on Show All Sites to see even more, or better yet, tap on Edit and then delete all of these. So doing that individually can take a long time. Luckily, there's a Remove All Website Data button down here. So I'm going to click on Done, so we're not doing Edit anymore. Now we can tap on Remove All Website Data, Remove Now, and that'll remove all that data. So for me, that was 145 megabytes, better than nothing. For you, it might be a whole lot more. There's also history here. I can't tap on this one in here, but I'll show you where you can clear the app history. You can do it in the Safari browser directly, or we can go back out to the general list here, general settings, scroll down to that's the wrong one. The main settings, the very first settings page, scroll down to the very bottom, tap on apps, tap on the S on the right hand side, or scroll down till you see Safari, tap on Safari, and somewhere in here, near the bottom, I think, we're going to see history and website data, clear history and website data. Tap on that. Now we can choose the time frame we want to clear. Your best bet for the most storage gain is clear all history. You can even close all tabs and then tap on clear history. And now that 7 megabytes, whatever it was, I'm going to have gained back in space. But if you haven't cleared that ever, the savings could be very substantial. Now there's one more spot where you can clear some app data that might not be very big. That's why I have it last in this video, but it's going to be better than nothing. If we go into the App Store, the App Store personalizes what it shows you based on what you've used. So if we go to our profile and then tap on personalized recommendations, we can clear app usage data, and that will no longer have the App Store be personalized, but it will accumulate again over time and it will keep personalizing it. You can't turn it off, you just have to keep clearing this stuff. So I'm going to clear this, clear app usage data, and there we go. We don't know how much space that saved, but it must be more than nothing. Otherwise this feature wouldn't exist. It's got to store its data somewhere. So we saved something, we just don't know how much for this one. But the other methods I showed earlier in the video, you can save a lot of space potentially. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash bin on your iPhone. Some of the steps we did in this video are part of that, but there's even more you can clear for even more space savings. So check out that video and I'll see you there.